Hey guys, it's Fonzie from DYC, and one thing we always try to do is listen to customer and viewer feedback. When you guys have questions, we try to get you answers. Now, one question that has come up a lot this year is Shadow Black. Does using Shadow Black as a base for your pearls give you a different end result than using regular standard matte black PDS? The Shadow Black is darker, it's richer, it has a higher sheen. Does that impact the end result when using pearls? We're gonna find out today. Enjoy the video. So let me walk you through how we're going to approach this experiment. Now, over here, I have 3 large speed shapes, and each one is split between regular matte black PDS and Shadow Black. You can see how much of a difference there is between the 2 finishes. Much drier, much matter finish. Shadow Black, much richer and higher sheen. Now, follow me over here. We have 3 different pearls. We have GC47 to represent a white powder pearl. We have bluegill color shift to represent a color powdered pearl, and just because they're so different and react so differently to different circumstances, we have ZTG to represent the hypershifts. That way we'll cover all the bases. We'll know if a white powder pearl, a color powder pearl, or even a hypershift reacts differently over Shadow Black versus Matte Black. I'm super excited, and honestly, I have no idea what's gonna happen. Let's jump in. All right, guys, the speed shapes are all dry. Let's take a look at the end results here. Now, this is bluegill color shift. Remember, this is the color powder pearl. And on this side was matte black. This side was shadow black. And as far as I can tell, there really isn't a difference. I'm not able to see really any difference in tone, in depth, in saturation between the matte black side and the shadow black side. Very beautiful color, came out great, but it doesn't look like the base colors made an impact on this one. Let's check the white powder pearl. So this is the white powder pearl. This is GC47. Now the white powder pearls, as you know, are very translucent. They really rely heavily on the base coat to get their saturation and their color. However, with that said, I'm not really able to tell a difference between the matte black side and the shadow black side. Same color, same shifting, same saturation. I'm actually really surprised by this one, but they do look just about the same. Now let's check the hypershift. Now this is ZTG hypershift, and although the color is absolutely stunning, again, I don't see a difference between the shadow black side and the matte black side. Now I can stare at these colors all day because these hypershifts are ridiculous. But surprisingly enough, the pearl going over the shadow black and the pearl going over the matte black creates the same end result. So that's the end of the experiment, and from what we were able to see, it doesn't look like there's a difference in the end result when using pearls over a matte black base versus a shadow black base. And I think the reason for that is we're putting the pearls in glossy top coat. Once glossy top coat goes over matte black Plasti Dip, it immediately makes it deeper, richer, and higher sheen. So once the pearls and the top coat go on top, it looks like everything starts to even out. And after the first coat, you could see it just a little bit. We used 2 coats of pearl on these speed shapes, and that was enough to completely eliminate the difference altogether. Now, why is this important? Because a lot of people ask about it, and shadow black is more expensive than matte black. And I don't want a bunch of people out there buying shadow black for their base of their pearls, spending that extra money for really no reason. I'd rather have you just save the money and get the matte black as your base. Now, if you want to dip your car, you guys know the deal. We have tons of colors to choose from. Click up here. It'll bring you to our car kits. If you have any questions at all, chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in. We'd love to talk to all you guys about your individual projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. Very fun experiment. It's Fonzie. I will see you in the next video.